Chalo. So let me just tell you that this assignment, the assignment number 3 will determine your sections. The better that this edit looks, the better your sections would be. A better section would mean a better access to the mentors, being in the immediate line for placements, and also a chance to get into our agency directly. The boring edit. So use everything that we have taught till now. The best rough cuts, the best use of music, the best text effects and backgrounds, movement of text and backgrounds with ease in and ease out. And everything that you have learned in the last 10 classes. Your aim as a video editor is to impress your audience. So let's see who will do it in the best possible manner. Obviously, there's nothing wrong, there's nothing right in video editing. It's just how creative that you can get while editing this video, right? So I wish you all the best. I wish you all the success. I want you to win. Let's see who can edit this video in the best possible manner. Bye.